How to draw snowman. Add one round shape, then scarf like this, carrot nose, eyes, mouth, then one hat. Add two more circles, 1, 2, add dots like this. Add a piece of wooden branch as a hand. Snowman is ready. Then the background. Add one Christmas tree. Star also. Hills. Snow on top of it. We can decorate the Christmas tree. Here add one house. One more. Christmas tree also. This is the reindeer. Our drawing is completed. Then we can start coloring. You can use any medium for coloring. Color pencil, crayons, oil pastel, anything. Snow, keep it white, but we have to give little blue like this. Red color for hat. Add little dark tone with red like this. Scarf also same way. Snowman body, one side little light blue like this. Then decorate the Christmas tree, give different color, star with yellow, snow falling you can do with white out. Our work is completed. I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.